personas, digo. Le dimos...
All right. Jag kommer att liksom så här. Jag tycker det här är en som är duktig. Det är om man ska få heta gruppen. Absolut. Ja. Här är jag.
Actually ended with Dan-Erik buying a new Itiwit X500 at a very discounted price.
Today I am in Jädraån and I have invited Patrik from Air on the Water.
El puro botón rojo.
No, ya está
listo.
Ya está grabando, sí.
Ya.
Así que...
Sí, aquí estoy viendo algo.
Sí, perfecto.
Patrik found that you can shop on the grocery store and collect your food here at the dock. Really good service.
Of course I have to experiment a little bit. Oh yeah, I guess. It's getting rougher. Yeah, I'm not gonna win this fight. vant mig av med. Nu är det paddel istället. Alright, so Lake Jädraån near Sandviken with Dan-Erik, which then Sandviken becomes my 31st paddle city or neighborhood, or I mean neighboring area around the city.
Skull Island.
Sounds like something out of a pirate's tale.
Yeah. So yeah, it's like the Horse Island, the Sky Island, the Impressive Island. I'm on en snäll
Härligt.
pojksäck.
Nice.
Jag gör den där utan att det rakar alla kanter. Lite knäpp. Eller inget. Mer än X500.
Ja, exakt.
So this is Jädraån, and here you have like a wind shelter, and you can tent. It's a lot of space for putting up tent more.
Det ser jag släckert ut, alltså jag förstår.
Yeah, I think this is the island that it is best to camp on. Definitely if you have a tent.
Klart. Okej. Dan-Erik,
Yep.
where are we?
Now we are on 4 borders, county borders.
All right.
So
Right there. So we are extremely confused right now as to where we are.
yeah.
We know exactly where we are, but we don't know really in which country we are. That's pretty cool. Thank you for the tour here. Tar jag som en utmaning, min herre. Snyggt! Där var stiligt. Inte varje dag man ser 3 X500 hur som helst.
Third paddle for today. Little hurry because we have golden hour here, and Erika will do her maiden voyage with her new X500. So this will be really fun.
Yes, if you don't mind, I've paddled the X500 a lot, so a little bit of advice. Don't sink.
Good advice.
Yeah. That's how I've done it so far. Like. All right, here we actually have Dan-Erik and Erika Westerlind. You know, famous from the YouTube channel, but usually seen on the YouTube channel. Today, actually seen in the famous backyard right here, and in their Itiwit X500 kayaks.
Yes.
Live
nice.
and in the flesh.
Exactly.
First time for Erika with her new Itiwit X500.
Yes, it is.
That is excellent. But you have tried that one before?
One time.
All right.
So this is my second time kayaking.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
It's as we were talking about, I've actually only seen 3 Itiwit X500s at the same time once,
Yes.
and that was in Stockholm. It's you know, it's even more special to see it here in the famous backyard.
Yes, it's really
Known
great.
from YouTube.
Yes.
All right, well, thank you for inviting me here, and
Yeah, nice to have you here.
great. Well, let's see what dangers lurk around in the
Yes.
backyard. Det där mot det jag tycker man borde kombinera någon gång. Man skulle ha en ukulele eller någonting som går ner i kajaken.
Ja, men exakt.
Ja, och så tar man ut på någon utflykt liksom. All right. Så ni är upstream and downstream.
Yeah.
Ah. Just det, nu inser jag att det här är förresten första gången jag faktiskt själv paddlar med 3 X500. Alltså sista gången så lånade jag ut min, så jag satt ju inte ens igen. Nej, nu filmar jag glatt. Kör gärna på den sidan om det går. Om man inte blir blind så. All right. Ja, hur många år tar det att återfå synen, tror ni?
Ja, vi märker.
Det är mycket koncentrerat i det liksom.
Ja, men det är det. Det tycker jag också.
Oj. Nu får ni liksom presentera det som The Westerlands. Oh, right. Not every day you see this.
No.
It's like, you know, inflation of Itiwit X500 kayak.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Well, that's great. Let's... Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. It will help others find the channel, and you will be updated on new upcoming videos. Stay safe and happy paddles!